Hello, welcome to VanWest. I'll give you a quick tour right now to see the place, see what you can find. And first of all, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Roger, and I'll be your student advisor during your time here in VanWest. Okay, so just follow me. Here, first of all, we have our lovely front desk. You will come here to ask any questions about your class. Which room is it? How can you find your class? Your electives, or any easy questions you may have for them. Obviously, you have to ask in English. Then here we have the student advisors room. All the student advisors from each language will be staying here. I will be sitting there. So if you need me and you need to come to see me, you can just knock on the door, come in, and I will help you with anything you need. Okay, so now we will see the campus itself. It's just a circle, so it's pretty easy to find all the rooms. The rooms start from 201 and it goes counting like 202, 203, 204, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 until 16th. So it's pretty easy to find your room. The rooms can change the sizes. Some are smaller, some are bigger. It depends on how many students we have in each room. The other stop is the academic director office. You can come here if you have any question or any concern about your grades, about your class, or anything you need to ask there. Also, we have here the co-op office. You will just come here if you have any question related during your co-op period. If you are a BCP student, and if you have any question related to your workplace, your job, mock interviews, phone interviews, any question you have, you can also contact them. Thank you. Now let's keep walking. Different sizes, different colors. You can find at the door all the classrooms at each time doing. So we know that right now, after 3, they're doing managing housekeeping operations with Julia. Here we have the accounting office. So if you want to pay for your books, if you're a BCP student, you can come in, or any kind of purchase you want to do it, you can pay it here right directly. Here we can find the marketing office. You probably will not have to come here, but if your student advisor is not here and no one can help you, you can always come here and ask for further help. And now we're getting closer to the cafeteria. In this room, you have access to 7 microwaves that you can freely use to warm up your food, to sit, have your lunch, have your dinner, buy some snacks, or if you simply just want to stay here, relax with your friends, even studying, you're more than welcome to come here. Also, another spaces that we have to relax and to study, we have the patio, which if it's nice and warm outside, it's a great place to relax or even to study. And also the computer lab. The computer lab comes with so many computers that you can freely use, but only you need to make sure that there is no class going on inside. There is not booked for a meeting. And if it's available, please feel free to come in, use your own computer, or you just can use our computers and you can study. But there's only one rule, and it's no food or drink are allowed during your time here in the computer lab. And I told you, it's a circle. We are back into the front desk. So if you have any question, any concern, you can always contact me. I will be your student advisor. And thank you for coming with me. And I'm looking forward to meeting you all.